Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add keyframe on Filmora application. Adding keyframes to your video in the Filmora app creates a dynamic animations and controls various aspects of your video such as position, scale, opacity and rotation over time. So here's a step-by-step guide how you can add keyframes to your video. First of all, open the Filmora application on your mobile device. From the main home page of Filmora, tap on the New Project button at the top left and select the video or image you would like to animate. Once you choose a video you'd like to animate, click on the Import button at the lower right. Once you import your video to your timeline, this will open up this interface from where you can edit your video clip. Now, go ahead and press on your video timeline and you will be able to see the keyframe option. Go ahead and select the front part of your video and tap on the keyframe button at the top. Now you can go ahead and adjust your video on the screen and then place it on the other end like this, and you will be able to see that you have automatically added another keyframe. Now go to the front part of the video and simply tap on the play button and you will be able to see that you've animated this specific video by adding keyframes. Now you can also adjust the properties you want to animate such as position, scale, rotation, opacity and much more from the bottom tool menu. You can add more keyframes by repeating the process and adjusting the properties at different points in the timeline to create a smooth animation. And that is how you will be able to add keyframes to a video using Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.